In this video, we are going to see how to search lots. Step 1. Search options. For that, let's click on Search button. Here we can see Input field, which helps to filter lots on base of lot title, lot subtitle, and lot description. Let's add lot title and input field. Now click on Search button. Here we can see the filter result. Now to explore other options, let's click on Search button. Step 2. Newest option. It shows newly created lot on top. Here we have newest option lot list. To check newest option, let's create lot. Let's create a lot quickly. Lot created successfully and active. Now let's check newest option. Here we can see newly created lot at top. Step 3. Ending soon option. It display lots which are going to close soon. Here we can see the duration of lot arrange in ascending order. Step 4. Most popular option. Here we have most popular option, which shows highest bid lots in descending order. On first lot, total count bid is 9. On second lot, count is 6. Accordingly, it shows lots in descending order. Step 5. Advanced search. Here we have advanced search option, which helps to filter lots more precisely. This option is going to cover in upcoming video.